You have three options when buying wiper blades for your car. You can buy them from a dealership and pay massive dealership prices, which is what I always recommend for those of you with too much money. You can also buy them from an auto parts store. You'll just have to decode a proprietary adapter system for your specific vehicle. No worries though, they always give you a manual with microscopic illustrations and instructions that make absolutely no sense whatsoever. And after giving up on those, you'll just wing it, and installation shouldn't take more than half a day. Or you can do it like I do and buy them online. Of course, you can get them on Amazon. Just check out my links below. You can get about twice the quality at about half the cost. They come in this weird L-shaped box with two wipers that are correct for your specific vehicle. The wipers come out looking like this, but don't worry, your wipers won't be green. Those are just protective covers that come right off. And then you'll have this freak out moment when you realize they forgot the adapters. Then you'll be crying tears of joy when you realize that unlike the auto parts store, these don't need adapters because these wipers are custom made to fit your exact vehicle. But maybe your wipers are hidden below the hood, so you put your wipers into wiper service mode. Wiper service mode puts wipers up so you can change them or lift them up if it's getting frosty outside. So to do that, just turn your vehicle off. Then quickly lift the wiper control and hold it until the wipers come up. Or if yours is like my Tundra, you can skip all that and just pull them up. Then pop your old wipers off and throw them at your neighbor. Feels so good. Then pop the new ones into place, and now you can drive it like you stole it. Now your windshield is crystal clear, and you can laugh maniacally every time you drive past the dealership. They actually won't know or care, but it still feels pretty incredible. So if this video saved you money, don't be weird about it. Just go ahead and hit that like button. And I hope this short video helps save you some money, and you can decide if the ability to see the road is important when driving. And thanks for watching this, and the road if that's what you're into.